I want to make a difference in New Mexico.
I want kids to have a good role model.
And I want to help a student graduate from high school.
Be a part of something bigger than myself.
As a big sister, I feel I get to do all of these things.
As a big brother, I do all these things. I encourage my little brother to have big dreams.
To be the first in her family to go to college.
The best part is I get to have fun while being a friend to a kid in need.
We do a lot of things together. We go hiking,
Museums, bowling.
Help him with his homework, stuff that you would do with your own kid.
It doesn't take a lot of time, but it has changed his life as well as mine for the better forever.
Big Brother Big Sisters creates lifelong friendships.
Become a big brother or big sister today because we are all stronger together.